Good morning children, how you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 5.4.6. Now I am going to start exercise 4.7. Okay, see that first one in exercise 4.7. See the word problem in that first one. Alka is getting dressed to attend her friend's birthday party. She wants to tie a ribbon around her head. She has 3/4 meter of ribbon and she cuts up 1/3 of it. What part of the meter is cut off? That means how much she used, that Alka was used, how much? First one. Fraction of ribbon Alka used. Alka has some ribbon to dress up and she used 1/3 of it, and they are asking how much is left. How much she used? 3/1/3 of 3/4 part meter. 1/3 of 3/4 part meter she rounded. So that implies 1/3 into 3/4. So 3 get cancelled. 1/4 part. That means in that ribbon 1/4 part was left. 1/4 meter left. Next. Her friend's house, Alka's friend's house is 200 meters away. She walks 2/5 of distance by picked up a friend. How far she walked? That means in her 200, fraction of distance she walked. Fraction of distance Alka walked. How much she walked, children? She walked totally 2/5 of 200 meters. 2/5 of 200 meters. That means that implies 2/5 into 200s. 5 ones, 5 fours, 25 zeros. 240s, 80 meters she walked now. Next. Alka is a quite fast walker. Her speed is 25 kilo. Alka is a quite fast walker, and her speed is 25 kilometer, 25 by 16 per kilometer per hour. What distance she walked? 1/5 of an hour. 1/5 of an hour. So distance Alka walked. Distance Alka walked. Distance Alka walked 1/5 of 25 by 16 kilometer per hour. That means 1/5 into 25 by 16. 5 ones, 5 fives. So 5 by 16 kilometer per hour she walked per 1/5 of an hour. At the party, Alka found 5/6 of cake was left and she ate 1/4 of it. Alka ate 1/4 of 5/6 part cake. So 1/4 into 5/6. It's nothing but 5/24 part she ate. They all sat to watch television program for half an hour, and advertisement took 1/10 part in that. So time, fraction of time, advertisements took fraction of time for advertisements. How much part was left? 1/10 of half an hour. 1/10 of half an hour. 1/10 of half an hour means 1/10. Half an hour means 30 minutes. 0 get cancelled. So the time period is 3 minutes was taken for the advertisement. For the advertisement, 3 minutes. It was given 3 minutes for the advertisement. See the next one, ma. Second one. 12 boys go to a circus. Each ticket costs 20 rupees, 23 by 4 rupees. How much they have to pay and all? That means cost of one ticket was given. Cost of one ticket was given. It's nothing but 23 by 4. And they are asking us to find cost of 12 tickets. Cost of 12 tickets. So 12 into 23 by 4. So 12 into 83 by 4. 4 ones, 4 threes. 3 threes 9, 3 sevens 24. 249 rupees they have to pay for 12 tickets. For 12 tickets they have to pay 249 rupees. See the third one. Cost of 1 kg sweets was given. Cost of 1 kg sweets was given. It's nothing but 50 and half rupee. They are asking us to find cost of 2 and a half kg sweets. Cost of 2 and a half kg sweets. So it's nothing but 50 and half into 2 and a half. 52 is 100. 101 by 2 into 2 2s. 4 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So it's nothing but 505 by 4. So 504 divides 505. 4 ones 4. Remainder 1 drop down 0 4 2 8. Remainder 2 drop down 5. 4 6 are 24. Remainder 1. So 126 rupees 1 by 4th part. 126 1 by 4th part. See the next one, Nana. Fourth one. Distance. A man walks. He walks 3 by 4 kilometer per hour. In 1 hour he walks 3 by 4 kilometer and they are asking for 1.5 hours. Distance he covers in 1.5 hours. Distance he covers in 1.5 hours. How much distance they cover in 1.5 hours? That means 3 by 4 into 1.5. 12 plus 3. 15 by 4 into 3 by 2. 45 by 8. 8 table 8 5 is 40. 5 by 8 kilometers. 5 by 8 kilometers. See the fifth one. Cost of 1 liter petrol was given. Cost of 1 liter petrol was given. It's nothing but 70.5 rupee. They are asking us to find cost of 10 liter of petrol. Cost of 10 liters of petrol. So it's nothing but 70.5 rupee into 10. 70.5 rupee into 10. 141 by 2 into 10. 2 ones, 2 fives. So it's nothing but 5 ones 5, 5 fours 20. 5 ones 5 plus 2 7. 705 rupees is the cost of 10 liters of petrol. Cost of 10 liters of petrol. See the next one. Sixth one. Mala can swim in 1 second, they given. Mala swims in 1 second. In 1 second she swims 3 by 5 meters. And they are asking how much she swims in 1 minute. Mala swims 1 3 by 5 means 8 by 5 into 60. 5 months, 5 years, 12, 12 8, 96 meters she swims in 1 minute. Next. An aeroplane flies in 1 hour they given it is 800 kilometers. How much it completes? It completes the journey from Delhi to Hyderabad in 1 3 by 4 hours. How much distance it traveled from Delhi to Hyderabad? That means the aeroplane flies in 1 3 by 4 hours. In 1 3 by 4 hours equal to 800 into 1 3 by 4. 800 into 7 by 4. 4 ones, 4 twos, 8, 4 zeros, 4 zeros. 200 into 4. 1400 kilometers it travel. 1400 kilometers it travel. Okay children, 4.7 exercise complete.